Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce spending gaps with Personal Capital, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Personal Capital app or website. Create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your existing account. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your finances. Click on the Budgeting tab in the main menu. Review your current budget categories. Identify areas where you're overspending. Select the spending feature for a detailed breakdown of expenses. Categorize your spending to see trends and patterns. Set realistic spending limits for each category. Introduce adjustments to your budget based on your findings. Utilize the net worth tool to see your overall financial situation. Track your spending habits over the month. Review your budget weekly to ensure you're staying on track. Consider using the retirement planner to factor in future savings needs. Make any necessary adjustments to your financial goals. Use the insights from Personal Capital to enhance your financial decision-making. Continue to monitor and refine your budget regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.